Okay, I've always been curious what's inside one of these first needs, these filters. So I thought, well, maybe I'll have a look. Kind of a plastic case. Let's some type of black stuff. Huh. Making a mess. Oh, black stuff. I can almost open it. Huh. Can't open it there. Big flat screwdriver. So will this help? Oh yeah, that's gonna get me in there. Oh, look at this. So look at that. That's really hard, whatever that is. So is that. What a mess I gotta clean up. Ah, look at that. That is really hard. I can't even get in there. Oh. It's just this dark charcoal stuff. And really hard. Wow. So that, I don't know why that water goes through there so easy. I really don't. And you figure the water comes out here at the bottom. I can't pull that apart. So they're good. So whatever that is, the water goes through here. So it goes in here, this thing. And that's something else that's all sealed up too. I have no idea how that's filtering. No way. So somehow the water's coming in here and it's running through this black crap. I'm telling you, that's hard. No wonder it gets out viruses because of how hard that is. I know some of this is charcoal because that's making it taste good. And then whatever else they put in here to catch the viruses. And when I look down through the hole, I can see all the way down to the bottom where it comes out. So you figure that hole, when this is on here, okay, it's plugging that hole, so the water's not going straight through. The water's forced to go through this black stuff somehow. See? That thing's over top of it, plugging it. Oh, I see. So then the water comes through, but it can't go through there. So then it goes down along the edges, and then it's going to work its way down there. And it's forced to go through that black stuff. So if you got an idea what this black stuff is in this big mess I made, this is what's in a first need water purification filter. Made in USA. Maximum 50 psi. But I got a big mess to clean up now. Catch you guys on the next one.